Greetings everyone! Are you worried about high blood pressure? In this video, we are going to talk about how you can easily lower it. Starting off with, number 1, decrease sodium consumption. It has been said for many years that higher intake of salt may lead to issues such as high blood pressure. When not monitored properly, it can lead to heart-related problems or strokes. This is why we would suggest that you cut down on your consumption. According to many studies around the world, a balanced intake of salt can help you maintain a good level of blood pressure. While it's still safe to have salt, just don't overindulge in it. Another notable thing is that many people with high blood pressure tend to be very sensitive to salt, so if you are one of them, just cut down on it. Number 2, get friendly with potassium. Can't control salt intake? Then consume more foods that have potassium. Potassium is a mineral that eases the pressure on your blood vessels. More importantly, it takes out the unnecessary sodium that has been absorbed by the body. The most common source of potassium are bananas. In case you aren't a big fan of that fruit or have certain allergies, there are many other options to choose from. You can try tomatoes, sweet potatoes, or leafy green vegetables, which are known to be rich in potassium. Other such potassium-rich foods include avocados, oranges, apricots, nuts, beans, salmon, and yogurt. Number 3, exercise. No, we aren't just talking about hitting the gym and working out. Your exercises can involve some freehand exercises. You can even try push-ups, squats, running, or walking. All these simple exercises can help you lower your blood pressure. As a matter of fact, 30 minutes of walking or running every day can help you maintain healthy blood pressure. If you can add a few more exercises in the mix, then it will be beneficial for your health. Just don't overdo it. If you are draining out more energy than you have gained, your blood pressure may fall drastically. That won't be good for your body. Once again, moderation is key. Number 4, reduce alcohol intake. Yes, we know you want to go to the club and down a few drinks after a busy day. That's just your idea of relaxation. But before you do that, we want you to know that alcohol is linked to at least 16% of high blood pressure cases around the world. Yes, that relaxing drink is more dangerous than you think. You can reduce your alcohol consumption. Avoid drinking more than 2 glasses, pegs, or shots of any alcoholic drink. This way, your blood pressure won't spike to unbearable levels. Number 5, indulge in dark chocolate. After a long lecture on things you can't do, here are some things that you can. Just treat yourself to dark chocolates every once in a while. Of course, once again, the idea isn't to stuff your face with dark chocolates. As long as you can have a moderate amount, you'll be fine. The reason why dark chocolate is good for blood pressure is because it contains cocoa. It is rich in flavonoids that is good for lowering blood pressure and maintaining cardiovascular health. You can also look at one of our videos. This is what dark chocolate does to your body for more information on dark chocolate and their effects on your body. Number 6, cut down smoking. We are back to things that you can't do if you have high blood pressure. Well, actually, you shouldn't indulge in smoking as it's not good for your health. Apart from the harm that it does to your heart, throat, and lungs, it also affects your blood pressure. This is because of the chemicals that are present in tobacco that are known to damage your blood vessels. Many studies have also found that smoking can cause a temporary spike in your blood pressure and heart rate. As such, it is advised that you quit this bad habit. Yes, it may be hard to quit right away, but you can do so over time. Start by reducing the number of times you smoke and slowly but steadily move towards quitting it completely. Number 7, manage your stress. Whether it's professional or personal life, stress is something that is bound to happen. Unfortunately, when you are stressed, your body might be in fight or flight mode. That can increase your heart rate or affect your blood vessels. This can cause your blood pressure to spike. Additionally, stress may cause you to indulge in habits such as drinking and smoking, which, as we have already discussed, can affect your blood pressure levels. Apart from that, it has been hinted in many studies that reducing stress helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Number 8, weight management. Let's start this point with a study that was conducted in 2016 on patients with hypertension. It was found that reducing more than 5% of weight helped in managing their blood pressure. This is because losing weight can help your blood vessels expand and contract easily, thus making it easier for the heart to pump blood. We wouldn't suggest this if you are someone who is underweight. In that case, try to lower blood pressure through exercise and avoid habits such as smoking or drinking. Number 9, help yourself to calcium-rich food. It has been stated in many studies that lower intake of calcium can increase your risk of hypertension. Additionally, studies show that calcium-rich diet helps in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. As a result, we would suggest that you increase your consumption of calcium. Dairy products, eggs, canned salmon, beans, lentil, almonds, and soya beans are some of the foods that are rich in sources of calcium. Please make sure that you are consuming at least 1,000 milligrams of calcium every day. For women who are more than 50 years old and men who are more than 70 years old, it is suggested that they consume at least 1,200 milligrams of calcium every day. Number 10. Consume magnesium. We have talked about calcium and potassium. Now we are going to talk about magnesium. This is a mineral that helps your blood vessels. As a result, it helps to lower risk of high blood pressure. Magnesium is found in many foods, so getting it shouldn't be a problem for anyone. We would suggest that you consume enough of it to keep away hypertension. Even a recent study has also found that magnesium is good for people with high blood pressure. There are many foods that help provide this nutrient, including dairy products, fish, meat, fruits, spinach, kale, broccoli, and whole grains. Just like we mentioned, it's not really hard to get magnesium. Do you have high blood pressure? Do you know anyone who has high blood pressure? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.